Yeah, looks really good. Hey everybody, Rick from Tremor Outdoors doing an install today for F-150 LEDs, and it's going to be the interior dome map plates. I've gone with the red, losing your night vision capabilities because you put on a bright white LED really sucks. So I went with the red because you want to maintain your night vision, and the reds really do illuminate very well for you to see what you're needing to do in the cab of the vehicle. So I went with the red ones, and I'm excited to get this installed. Let's fly at it. All right, so what I'm led to believe is that there's 4 clips, sort of here, 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 and here. So we're gonna try and pop 2, and then we'll pop 2, pull it down, and that should get us in there. Being very mindful not to damage your headliner. Wow, that sucker is in there. You know, I can hear it and I can feel it. I just don't want to cause all kinds of upholstery damage here. Okay, there we go. There's 1. There's 2. See, that's what I worry about right there. Little plastic clip broke. So does that mean now my stupid things will be flopping around? Okay. Sorry. There we go. Okay, so we have 1 wire, this here. Squeeze that one there. That one there. And we got 1 here. There we go. Okay. So we did incur a little bit of damage. That clip there and that clip there. I'm hopeful that these clips, there's 4 of them, that was the ones we were trying to get, that those will prop up and hold this thing up in place and it won't be dropping down. All right, so it's going to be 6 T20 Torx bits to take this off. All right, that's got that housing off. Spin the circuit board around. As you can see, we've got the F-150 LEDs circuit board. We're going to just put that to the side for now. Okay, we're going to swap out to a T10. Be very careful that you don't scratch the circuit board with the screw or with the Torx bit. You do that, you're gonna have a problem. Take the old one off. Careful, put it to the side. Put the new one on. There we go. Put the screws back. And you don't need to crank down on these, just enough to just start to get tight and you're good. Okay, we're going to swap back to our T20. Put our cover back on. All right, that's got the panels replaced. So now we're gonna reconnect our wiring. Okay, that went in easy. Click, there we go. Second one. Click. Let's go third one. Man, Ford, you guys didn't give me much room on this one. That's the one for the upfitters. There we go. You know what? Wow, color me impressed. That's those two little pieces didn't make a pinch of difference. Let's try my map plate here. Fingers crossed, everybody. Fingers crossed. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Wow, those are nice. I like that. Let me turn off my flashlight here on my phone. Wow, I'm really impressed with that. That looks fantastic. Holy smokes. Wow, you know what? These are going to give amazing light at nighttime. If you're trying to read anything in your vehicle or look at something that's not on your screen, this is going to be amazing. Wow. Great job, guys and gals at F-150 LEDs. These are beautiful. Looks great. Through the camera, looking at this, it almost has an orange hue. They're actually really like a ruby red, like, and super bright. Shines down nicely all the way down. Like, look at this, all the way down to the console and stuff. Really gives good light. So super, super psyched about finally getting these into the truck. That looks amazing. Okay, so that is a wrap on doing the red dome lights in the cab. I did break a couple of clips, as I said in the install. Don't appear to be necessary. That thing is hanging in there really nice and tight. It doesn't look like it's had any impact on it whatsoever. So thank goodness, man. I tell you, I saw those two clips break off and I was like, oh no. But hey, listen, you know what? At the end of the day, you want to make an omelet, you got to crack some eggs. And we love to venture into this stuff and see how it goes. And yeah, there's can be expensive mistakes done if you're not careful, but I mean, just take your time. Take your time. End product is amazing. Love it. Looks great. And I'm excited to do more. Whole bunch more kits coming, folks, so stay tuned. And we'll have you guys check out F150LEDs.com. Amazing products and great folks down there, so support them. All right, we'll catch you on the next one.